The Reflex Platinum Mastercard is built for people with less than perfect credit who need a way to build or rebuild their credit history. Because it is an unsecured card, there is no security deposit required, which can be a relief if you do not have extra cash to tie up. It reports to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, so consistent on-time payments can actively help raise your score. There is also the option to prequalify without affecting your credit, so you can see your chances before committing. After 6 months of responsible use, your account may be considered for a credit limit increase, and Mastercard's zero liability protection adds a layer of defense against unauthorized charges. Enrolling in e-statements even gets you free monthly access to your VantageScore 3.0. The downsides, though, make this card expensive to carry. The annual fee ranges from $75 to $125, and starting in the second year, there is also a monthly maintenance fee that can reach $12.50, adding up to $150 a year. These charges come right out of your available credit as soon as the account opens, effectively shrinking your usable limit, which often starts between $300 and $1,000. The APR is a steep 35.90%, so carrying a balance even for a month can cost you heavily. The lack of any rewards program means you are paying these high fees with no perks or cashback returns. Plus, having a checking account is a requirement to apply, limiting accessibility for those without one. In summary, the Reflex Platinum Mastercard is a last resort option for those shut out of more affordable credit products. It can help build a positive payment history, but the high fees, low starting limit, and extreme APR make it one of the costlier tools for credit rebuilding. It is most effective only if paid in full each month and replaced with a better card as soon as your credit improves, because staying on it too long risks doing more harm to your wallet than good to your credit.